Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the replacement AirPod matches your case model and charging it above 50% so pairing won't fail. Place the AirPod in the case, close the lid, then open and press the setup button until the LED flashes. This forces discovery. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked, Bluetooth enabled, and the devices are within 1 to 3 feet. You do this so the phone detects the case quickly and avoids interference. Next, tap Connect when the prompt appears. You tap Connect and follow the on-screen steps. If a setup animation appears, watch it to confirm left and right channels. Once paired, the phone may push a firmware update. Keep the replacement AirPod in its charged case and leave it next to the phone to let the update install automatically. Once updated, test audio with music and a call to confirm stereo separation and microphone function. If you notice imbalance, check accessibility audio balance and reinsert the bud to seat contacts properly. You finish by verifying mic pickup, proximity sensors, and automatic ear detection during a brief call and a music test. If the replacement AirPod fails to appear or audio is only in one ear, make the phone forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and repair. This clears lingering profiles. If charging or sync problems remain, clean the metal contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth and reseat the bud in the case. One key tip: a second reset usually resolves persistent pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.